I'm Jim Hewson, and this is Don Taylor.
Try again.
I'm Jim Taylor, and this is Don Hewson.
Nope.
Okay. I'm Don Taylor, and this is Jim Hewson.
Good job, Don.
Thanks.
Offside, Dallas. Young now has the puck. A delayed penalty call against Kuba. Weinrich scoops up the loose puck. Shatan lays out Young. Arnott. Detroit will need to play smart now.
Well, they've always got to play smart. They just got to play extra smart now, like Einstein smart.
Like you, dog.
Not that smart, Jim.
Joseph gets the wood on it. Young takes control of the puck. Medano. Young shoots it hard. Hatcher got it. Rink-wide pass. Shot. He missed. They're making the net smaller this year. Shanahan controls the puck. Medano in control now. Young fires it. Joseph stoned him.
He denied them on the power play. A goaltender just can't get enough of moments like that.
Chelios shoots the puck. Saved by Turco. Guerin with the puck. Kuba sends this game back to 5-on-5 now that he's left the box. Medano gets rocked. Lidstrom. Kuba gets rubbed off the puck. Lettinen. Joseph makes the save. Lidstrom jumps on the loose puck. Yzerman has it. Kuba fires it from the left. Arnott has it. Guerin got it. Lettinen gets it. Detroit with it now. Lidstrom offside. Morrow now with it. Hatcher now has it. A howitzer from the left. Medano put the puck between his skates.
And skates away.
Lemieux fires, scores!
There's a goal that'll turn more heads than an alligator on a leash.
Detroit goal.
Guerin.
Scored by number 66, Mario Lemieux.
Morrow, hard shot. Joseph turned the shot away. Robitaille gets the pass from Joseph. Yzerman. Shatan now has the puck. With a wrist shot. Big save.
I concur.
Yzerman shoots the puck. Morrow. He gets laid out.
And he took a hit that would take the chrome off of a trailer hitch.
Brewer. Shatan. Hard one-timer. And there's a fight going on.
Well, sometimes when you don't have time to stop and chat, a few punches in the head is the best way to put your message across.
Well, it's pretty clear who won that one.
Yep, Jim, for one guy it's success, for the other guy it just hurts.
Yzerman won the face-off. Caberlet shoots the puck.
Major for fighting. Detroit penalty.
Shatan is hurt and out of this play.
That looks really, really bad, Jim. Look at the agony on his face. Yep, his injuries must be serious, Jim. He's heading to the dressing room.
That's sad to see, Don, but who knows? We could still see him back on the ice. Arnott, Lettinen grabbed the puck. Boucher, the Stars dump it. Caberlet, Adams takes the puck. Ruchin. Neuendijk is a goal short of making the 500 career goal mark.
When he does make it, it will be a major accomplishment.
Turco hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Caberlet! Weinrich is going off for cross-checking.
Instead of giving guys penalties, how about they just drop slime on them? Hey, it's a radical idea, but it could work.
Detroit now has the upper hand.
Let's see if they can force their opponent's hand and grab a goal on the power play.
Arnott takes control of the puck. Turco hangs on for the whistle. Iserman wins the draw.
That's the first.
Detroit has the lead.
This team is playing a physical, grinding game, Jim, and you can see it starting to wear down their opponents. Why, Jim? Why?
Because
Okay, let's get back to the game.
Dallas is relieved its player is out of the box and can concentrate on getting a goal instead of killing a penalty. Adams shoots it. Turco hangs on for the whistle. Guerin shoots. Joseph stones him.
He does not give up. He will not give up.
Yager, he gets laid out. Lemieux grabs the puck. Yager corrals it. Matvichuk picked it up. Guerin grabs it. Morrow. Joseph denies him.
There's some quality goaltending there, Jimbo. Yeah.
Hatcher scoops up the loose puck. And it's icing against Dallas. Neuendijk won the faceoff. Guerin takes control of the puck.
Through his legs and back onto his stick. Oh, look at Mr. Fancy Pants.
Guerin shoots it quickly. Joseph made the save.
Maybe the shooter zigged when he should have zagged.
Neuendijk takes the puck. Fires it hard. Morrow. Icing is called against Dallas. Lettinen jumps on the loose puck. Young. The Stars clear it safely away. Detroit takes control. Ruchin. Robitaille. Turco made the save. Brewer shoots. Turco makes the save. Kuba flattens Arnott. Brewer with the puck. Ruchin. Iserman grabbed it. Brewer takes possession. The door is shut by Turco.
The key to making saves is timing.
Weinrich stops the shot. Lemieux. Shanahan takes control of the puck. Chelios fires it. Door slammed shut by Turco. Arnott. He gets laid out. Chelios grabs the puck. Lidstrom shot the puck from the left. Blocked. Boucher. Arnott. Morrow now has the puck. Lemieux shoves Morrow. Morrow taunted the defender with one hand on his stick.
Then to top it off, left him in his tracks.
Shoots! Blocked. Matvichuk jumps on the loose puck. Guerin gets nailed.
He's still feeling funky, Jim, but he's not so fresh anymore.
Lidstrom gets in the way. Ruchin. Iserman controls the puck. Robitaille takes it. Saved by Turco. Delayed call. Morrow gets muscled off the puck.
That hit had a star player and a seeing stars player.
Kuba gets called for cross-checking.
He'll have to take the long skate to the penalty box and serve his time, Jim.
Detroit will play shorthanded.
But I've got a good feeling about this one. This team loves to be the underdog.
That's the end of period 2. Detroit has got its passing game down, Don.
Yeah, and when that happens, you watch your score go up. I look forward to thinking up more witticisms this period, Jim.
To bring your grand total to 1.
Yeah, Anyhow, let's get back to the game.
Medano shoots the puck from the right. Joseph stoned him cold. Kuba sees his penalty expire and jumps back on the ice. Kuba. Lidstrom roughs up Young. Matvichuk shoots the puck. Lidstrom corrals it.
That was sweet, Jim. High five. Come on, don't leave me hanging. Yeah!
Dallas puts its second line out. Lettinen gets hold of the puck. Young fires! He scores!
The fans were looking for a goal, and thanks to a little wrist action, the puck rose to the occasion.
That gives us a tie game.
Boy, I haven't been this excited since last September's chocolate milkshake binge.
Boucher will get the gate for cross-checking.
He's gonna sit for 2 minutes, Jim. Boy, how many times have I said that?
Detroit with the power play.
Now would be a good time to score. Anytime now. Like now.
Relax. Guerin dumps the puck in. Dallas takes over. Hatcher. Boucher will rejoin the play. He's finished his sentence in the sin bin. Joseph denied him.
He has the opposing players shaking their heads out there.
Saved by Joseph.
The shot was rejected like an old girlfriend.
Yager. Iserman cranks it hard on net. Stoned by Turco.
If he can see it, he can stop it.
Guerin. Robitaille knocks him off the puck.
He crushed him like some kind of mystical crushing machine from medieval times? Oh, man. I need a better writer.
Ruchin. Kuba scoops it up. Robitaille. Ruchin grabbed it. Iserman has it now. Turco hangs on for the whistle. The face-off goes to the Red Wings. Shanahan shoots the puck. Guerin takes it. Morrow has it. Guerin. Iserman. Robitaille took the puck. Fires! Lemieux scores! What a goal!
Funny how a goal always makes someone's day and spoils it for another.
That goal breaks the deadlock, and they take a one-goal lead.
Yeah, man, you've got that right.
Deadlocked on, not dreadlocked. Saved by Turco!
I would have done the same thing myself.
Steve Yzerman.
Young got the puck. Turco is heading to the bench.
It's the right thing to do.
Offside, Dallas. Medano grabs the puck. Morrow grabbed it. Guerin grabbed it. Robitaille in control now. Hatcher steals the pass. Medano takes possession of the puck. Matvichuk gets caught offside and play is stopped. Belanger wins the draw. Smolinski
Last minute of play in the third
shoots the
period.
puck from the right. He scores an empty netter.
Last minute, close contest. That goal was this big. They can't see your arms, Don. What about now?
Nope. Turco is skating to the bench.
The extra guy may help, but 2 goals is a large assignment. Ah, who am I kidding? They'll never do it. Never.
Lettinen in pain. He seems to have hurt his foot or ankle.
Yep, he's not amused, you can tell, and neither is anybody else. Injuries are always a worry. Well, I guess she's out of this game, at least for a while.
The coach looks frustrated. He's not sure of the impact this will have on his team.
He'll just have to work around it.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Kuba. Ruchin shoots it. Goslin stops the shot. Medano. Brewer gets the pass from Joseph Yzerman. Sidor runs over Ruchin. Sidor gets hold of the puck. Goslin took it. Mowed down. Lemieux grabs the puck. Ruchin. Ruchin shoots! He tallies an empty net goal. Lemieux won the face-off. The ref indicates a delayed call against Downey. He's getting called for cross-checking.
Yep, Jim, just as I suspected. His actions warranted a 2-minute penalty.
Dallas is in for a tough few minutes.
They need to break out the big bad book of defense. Chapter 1.
Scores! Short-handed they score!
I think being short-handed made them a wee bit mad, so they took out their anger on the other team's power play.
The face-off goes to Detroit. Offside.
Brendan Miller, assisted by number 44, Jason Arnott, and by number 2.
And that's the end. Detroit claims supremacy.
These guys were real sharpshooters. They took a lot of high-percentage shots, and that was bad news for the other team.
Star selection. Tonight's third star for Detroit, number 5, Nicholas Lidstrom.